Hi friends, long time, but I'm very happy that I finally have energy and inspiration to do a video for my YouTube channel, for you my friends. I know you miss me, and today I will show how I did this hairstyle, because in Instagram a lot of people was asking like how and show, so I will show you. But actually it's super, like always, like I'm telling always, it's super easy. So let's start. For this hairstyle you actually need some extra volume. I need an extra volume because my hair, as you know, it's short, so I have that chignon which I will place here. But anyway, you can do it without as well. I will show you how to do it without. If you have a long hair, you will have any problems with the volume. If you have short hair, you too can do a French twist on the behind. I will show you. So, first of all, of course, you need a curls. And like always, I'm using my 22mm foam rollers overnight. And this is actually the basic for everything. And this hairstyle, it's not some specific or just make it like a fantasy, you know. And I'm happy that you like it, and I hope my YouTube followers will like this hairstyle as well. So we have a curls. I have a mirror there, that's why I will look mostly there. As you see, I'm on a new place again because I'm still in Netherlands and trying to find a comfortable place to stay. So we have a curls, and we don't need to brush them. First of all, this one will be the main which actually will create that beautiful part of the hairstyle. Here we actually leaving only, like I have one curl, you see, from the one foam roller, and I'm leaving only a little piece, and everything will go up. So if you don't have chignon and you have long hair, and so what you need to do now on this step, you separate this part. You see behind the ear I left this, and only one little piece from here, and all of that going up, and this one too. So look, you can use on this part a brush, but just a second. So if you don't use a chignon, you just brush this part and somehow twist it, as you see. And with the bobby pins, you starting to fix this thing, the basic ones, and then you will, with the bobby pins, lay the curls which are under in a beautiful way. But I will use chignon, so I will show you how to use chignon. If we have chignon, we actually, before putting everything up, we need to, of course, put the chignon on the right place. Mostly it don't need to be very low and don't need to be very, like, actually it can be very high if you want a more 60 style, but I wanted just a beautiful volume at the back. So it's very easy to fix. Where to prevent the questions where to buy, I don't know. Because this one I was doing a photo shoot, and the girl hairdresser was doing hair for me, and that's how I receive it. But I think you just need to to search, and it needs to be in your hair color, of course. And now I'm doing the same what I was already talking about, putting everything up to cover chignon. And brush we are using only in this part, a little bit. We're not brushing the curls at all, because this is the main thing which making this hairstyle beautiful. So I put all the hair up and covered chignon with my hair, and actually you can see it's already looks beautiful, but a little bit messy, and the ends of the curls can be like in different ways. So we need to use U-pins and fix the curls in a way we like. For example, this one, you see it's wet. So we just use an U-pin and putting it in some beautiful way. Actually, I like how it looks already, and we'll be working with this part. So we have here, if you will use a satin pattern by curling a hair, mine, which actually I will add of course a link on this video how to use the foam rollers and my satin pattern, but the basic ones. You will receive from here one curl, second curl, the front curl, another front curl which is covering, and this one from here, and this is from this front. So actually this one from the front we already can fix somehow. You just try to not to show the ends, so you covering somehow, and with U-pin or just bobby pin fixing this curl. And now, so what the secret of that hairstyle actually, as you see now, curls are super tiny and up, but with time when you will go out they will fall down, and then it will create some beautiful wave, more soft. But you need to be ready that some pieces, for example this one, can fall very down like this. So you need to actually have with you some bobby pins to fix your hairstyle right there if something will go wrong with it, because you never know what will happen with your curls, right? But now, actually here I even don't want to do nothing. I really like how it's lay. This one not really nice actually, but okay. But okay, it will work. Oh, like this. So the question of these upper ones, how they will lay, and I prefer to fix them because you never know. It can be bobby pin or U-pin, but it's need to be not visible. So you just fix, and as you see it's laying in the same way like this front curl, so it's beautiful. And this one too, I like to do even like this, you know, but you need to fix it with the hairspray. As I always like volume here, I'm using like always my duckbill clips and maybe even brush a little bit, just a core, like just near the roots, not a curl. This one we can fix a little bit. Oh, it's better. I open my face, you know. And also, as you know, as you was watching my tutorials before, you can use U-pins for fixing hair just on the period when you're covering it with a hairspray. So then you remove it after. So probably I will use U-pin here. Look, because this one is super separate for me. Like actually, this is a fantasy. You just need to follow your thoughts, your vision of beauty, and create something. So like for me, it's super separate from all the hair. So I want a little bit, like you know, fix it together with another one curl. And this U-pin I will remove after I will use a hairspray. Okay, time for hairspray. I'm not using a lot in this hairstyle because it will fall down, but in this part a lot because this volume need to be with you all the day. So So my hairstyle is ready and I'm ready to go to some beautiful place and have fun. I hope you have fun too with watching with this video and you will try this hairstyle and you like this new format. Tell me what you think in the comments, please. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel and have a nice day. Bisous bisous.